Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener Radio Studio. I wanted to give you a little tour behind the scenes of things that you normally don't see when we're doing the broadcast. And because Holly and myself are on so many stations across the country, we normally, in years past, have gone to a physical radio station. But since this is the case, we broadcast from a spare room in our home. Just kind of a couple of things I want to show you besides what you see behind our when we are actually doing the radio broadcast. On the wall here is past year sponsors. These are the companies that have paid the dollars in order for us to be on the air over the past 3 seasons. And then behind Holly and myself, you'll see the sponsors of the current years on the banners here. So this is where we'll be making our kombucha when the room gets warm enough. We've had problems with it not fermenting correctly, so we got to wait on that. And then here is our wall of canning jars, the old Blue Mason jars. Some of these are from my great-grandparents. Other ones we have found along with during yard sales, and we've just found this nice. We found this shelf too, and I think that's a good piece of furniture to have in a recording studio about a garden talk show. Over here we've got another wall of accomplishments, just posters that we have created ourselves with the sponsors, and then below that is our garden talk sponsors of each year that we've really got into the radio show. We've been very blessed to have that type of situation, and then a lot of other things on the wall here. The normal place where you see Holly and myself set is behind the microphones, and you just see basically that. So with Holly being the co-host and I'm here, I run the soundboard and the audio and everything to make sure everything sounds good, and that's how we make it work. We have this is the hotline, 1-800-927-SHOW. When you call, this is where it comes, and we get your question answered. So just a little behind the scenes, and you see by the table going out of the room, we've found that's an old typewriter that found many years ago on junk day. I figured that was a good little place for it. And then behind you, where you're standing there, is kind of a modge podge of storage of books and of old sponsor products. So got a good place there to kind of store stuff. But this is the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener Radio Studio, a little behind the scenes. So thanks for coming along and taking a look, and so you can see something other than what you normally see on a regular broadcast.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.